Hello guys, welcome back. If you've ever wanted to create a song cover that sounds just like Juice WRLD, today's video is going to blow your mind. I'm diving into Jammable, an AI cover tool that lets you transform your voice into top artists like Juice WRLD, and it's crazy simple. If you're interested in the topic, don't forget to subscribe and share our channel. Part 1. What is Jammable? Jammable is a powerful AI cover generator that helps you create song covers using the vocal tone of your favorite artists. It uses advanced voice cloning to mimic the style, tone, and vibe of artists like Juice WRLD with just a few clicks. Part 2. How to make a Juice WRLD song cover in 3 steps. Let me show you how to simply turn your vocal track into a Juice WRLD style cover. Step 1. Record your vocals first, keep it clean and dry, no effects needed.
Waiting in the shadow of the sun, seizing time like no one's been before. Close the curtains, what you waiting for? And I'll be keeping secrets till I'm in the ground.
Then go to Jammable website and create your account. Step 2. Select Juice WRLD model from the artist list. You can preview the model before generating.
To feel your heart beating next to mine, won't you come on down? Forget about your past, you can't take my hand. I don't even wanna go out tomorrow if you won't be there for the ride. Cause it's been so many days I've been missing you.
Next, click Create and upload your audio file. Then add a preset. Choose the full song effect you prefer. You can also set pitch, shift, and settings. Step 3. After adjusting your settings, click Start Cover. Wait a few seconds. Your cover will be generated successfully.
Waiting in the shadow of the sun, seizing time like no one's been before. Close the curtains, what you waiting for? And I'll be keeping secrets till I'm in the ground.
You're free to share your AI-generated cover. To unlock downloads, it's just $1.99 for a month. Part 3. What makes Jammable awesome? 1. Powered by advanced tech, Jammable delivers super realistic, high-quality AI vocals. 2. There are thousands of voice models, from music to cartoons, anime, and gaming. 3. Fast processing. It only takes seconds to generate AI covers. 4. It's user-friendly and easy to use. No need for complex software. Whether you're a producer, singer, or just experimenting for fun, Jammable gives you a pro-level cover in no time. Now it's your turn to try. I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences, so leave a comment below. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.